Next, methods of preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes. The first method is from alkanes. See the lower alkanes. Lower alkanes in gaseous phase treated with halogens. Lower alkanes in gaseous phase treated with halogens in presence of diffused light. In presence of diffused light, they form alkyl halides. They form alkyl halides. What they form? They form alkyl halides. Let's take an example. Methane in presence of chlorine. Diffused light to form CH3Cl, methyl chloride plus HCl. This is the preparation of alkyl halides from the lower alkanes. Next, from alkenes. Next method of preparation of alkyl halides from alkenes. From alkenes. For this the example are CH double bond CH2 HX. See, this is very important, that is Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. Here see what happens when the unsymmetric alkenes, this is unsymmetric alkenes treated with hydrogen halides. The hydrogen halide in gaseous phase pass through the solution of unsymmetric alkenes at low temperature in dark. This reaction occurs at low temperature and in dark they form the corresponding alkyl halides. They form corresponding alkyl halides. They form corresponding alkyl halides. See, in this Markovnikov's rule, the hydrogen is attached to the carbon that has more hydrogen substituents, while the halogen is attached to the carbon that has alkyl substituent. The Markovnikov's rule, in this Markovnikov's rule, when the gaseous HX hydrogen halide passes through the unsymmetrical alkenes, what happens there? The halogen is attached to the carbon that has alkyl substituents, where the hydrogen is attached to the carbon that has more hydrogen substituents. This Markovnikov's rule is very important. Let's take it with an example. CH3 CH double bond CH2 to this carbon, the Br is attached because this carbon has alkyl group. So to this carbon halogen is attached and to this carbon hydrogen is attached. CH3 C 1 2 3 4. So this is the Markovnikov's rule. And the next one, and the next type is H. See, the bromine is attached to the carbon that has alkyl substitute, where the hydrogen attached to the carbon that has more hydrogen substituents. This is Markovnikov's rule, preparation of alkyl halides from alkenes. Next, preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols. From alcohols by the action of hydrogen halide. See, when alcohols treated with hydrogen halide in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, zinc chloride. Here the OH and H, the OH along with H removed as a water molecule, and the remaining RX is present, H2O. This H2O which is removed as a water molecule, and the remaining alkyl halide, and the remaining alkyl halide is formed. From alcohols, when these treated with phosphorus pentahalides and phosphorus trihalides, what happens? See, from alcohols, by the action of phosphorus pentahalide, by the action of phosphorus pentahalide, 5 halogens are present, so phosphorus pentahalide. See, in phosphorus pentahalide, when alcohols treated with phosphorus pentahalide, they give corresponding alkyl halides plus hydrogen halide plus POX3. This is phosphorus, the name is phosphorus oxyhalides. Phosphorus oxyhalides. What is the name? The name is phosphorus oxyhalides. When alcohols are treated with phosphorus pentachloride, they give corresponding alkyl halides, and hydrogen halide and phosphorus oxyhalides. See, when these are treated with phosphorus trihalides, phosphorus trihalides, what happens? ROH treated with phosphorus trihalides to form corresponding alkyl halides plus 3 molecules of plus H3PO3. When these are treated with alcohols are treated with phosphorus trihalides, they form corresponding alkyl halides. And phosphorus acid, H3PO3 phosphoric acid. From alcohols we have seen treated with HX, then treated with phosphorus pentahalides, and then treated with phosphorus trihalides. And another one is when treated with alcohols, treated with sulfonyl thionyl chloride, SO. Next, from alcohols by the action of thionyl chloride, SOCl2. See here, when alcohols are treated with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, they form corresponding alkyl halides, SO2 plus HCl. So this is corresponding alkyl halide along with SO2 and HCl is removed. This is action of alcohol with thionyl chloride. For this an example, CH3OH treated with thionyl chloride to form CH3Cl, methyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. So this is the methods of preparations of alkyl halides. First we have seen when alkanes are treated with the halogens to form alkyl halides. Alkenes are treated with hydrogen halides. Then with alcohols by the action of phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, by the action of thionyl chloride. All these are the methods of preparations of the alkyl halides. In the next video we have see what is Hunziker and what are the Schwarz reaction and what is Flankstein reaction. Thank you. So, and the important named reactions in the preparation of alkyl halides are Hunsdiker reaction, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. These three named reactions are very important. Let's begin with what is Hunsdiker reaction. When the silver salts of carboxylic acid, see this is RCOOH. This is carboxylic acid. In place of COOH, in place of H, the silver is present. This is silver salts of carboxylic acid. Silver salts of carboxylic acid treated with bromine or chlorine. When treated with bromine or chlorine in presence of carbon tetrachloride, to form corresponding alkyl halides. What they form? Corresponding alkyl halides. This is alkyl bromide plus carbon dioxide gas plus AgBr, silver bromide. So this is Hunsdiker reaction. When the cells of silver salts of carboxylic acid treated with the halogens like bromine, chlorine in presence of carbon tetrachloride, they give the corresponding alkyl halides, and this carbon dioxide gas is removed, and this alkyl with one bromine gives alkyl bromide. This silver with another bromine gives AgBr. This is Hunsdiker reaction. Let's see with an example. CH3COOAgBr2 in presence of carbon tetrachloride gives methyl bromide. Methyl bromide plus CO2 plus AgBr. What is Hunsdiker reaction? The silver salts of carboxylic acid treated with bromine or chlorine in presence of carbon tetrachloride to give corresponding alkyl halides. Next one is Finkelstein reaction. The next one is Finkelstein reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? The alkyl halide. Here we have taken the alkyl halide when treated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. Here the halogen exchange takes place. In Finkelstein reaction, what happens? The halogen exchange takes place. See, in this place of X, iodine will come. So you get Ri plus NaX. This is alkyl iodide. What is Finkelstein reactions? When alkyl halides treated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to give corresponding alkyl halides. Let's take with an example. CH3Cl treated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone. Here form CH3I. This is methyl iodide plus NaCl. Sodium chloride is formed. This is a Finkelstein reaction. And the next reaction is Schwarz reaction. The next reaction is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction. So when alkyl bromide or alkyl chloride is what happens when it is treated with some metal fluorides like silver fluoride or mercurius fluoride, etc., or cobalt fluoride. Let's take silver fluoride. When alkyl halide, this is a alkyl halide. This is alkyl halide. See, alkyl is present, halide treated with this metal fluoride, silver metal with fluoride. What happens here? They form corresponding alkyl halides. They form corresponding alkyl halides. Alkyl fluoride. This is an example of Schwarz reaction. So, what is Hunsrike reaction? When the silver salts of carboxylic acids treated with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride to form corresponding alkyl halides. In Flinkenstein reactions, the halogen exchange takes place between alkyl halide and the when treated with sodium iodine in presence of dry acetone. And in Schwarz reaction, alkyl halides when treated with metal fluorides like cobalt fluoride, mercurius fluoride, silver fluoride, here the corresponding alkyl fluorides are formed, and this Ag along with this halogen removes as AgBr. So in this we completed the methods of preparations of alkyl halides. Thank you.